Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1 inch IPS touchscreen special for Fiat Renault 2014 to 2019 years. Okay, let me unbox review this package. Let me show the harness at first. You can check this special harness. This label of harness. Okay, this connects to our back of head unit. There are AVX input left and right, and this wire for MP amplifier 12 voltage. This is reverse camera. Okay, this ANT. This wire do not need to connect. Okay. Head unit will come with GPS antenna. Special this GPS antenna and original USB. And this radio antenna. This camera input. This connects to our back of head unit. This radio antenna. And this AUX input is connected to our back of head unit. And this video input, this AUX input left and right. Okay. This audio cable. This subwoofer. This video out 1 and video out 2. This video out left and right, front and rear. Okay, let me show head unit. Okay, you can check this front and this side. And there are two USB cable and there are external microphone. This long cable USB. This radio antenna, this Wi-Fi antenna, this GPS, this connector, this fuse, this other connector audio cable and other connection. Okay. Let me connect to power back of head unit. Okay, there is a microphone, built-in microphone reset holds this GPS slot. This is SD card slot. Okay, you can adjust the brightness. Wallpaper, you can change the wallpaper. Okay. Please take out this screw protector before using. This date and time, use GPS and Wi-Fi connection. This home button, all apps are here. This is the link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It's just support connect by USB. Apple CarPlay for Android Auto. This is the link app. Okay, this is easy connection mirror link. Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi, and DSP amplifier. And it's built-in Google Maps and built-in Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. It's very fast response. Okay, settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi and support 4G mobile network. You need to buy USB dongle 4G LTE dongle from us. Let me check your boot machine. You can check kernel version, MC version, optical memory size 4GB, PX509 Pi system. Okay, this radio. Click search button to get the radio stations. It's also amplifier, DSP amplifier. And let me check the storage. You can check total 64GB. Car settings, you can check the personal settings. Autoplay music, power standby, you can set time. Navigation settings, it supports Google Maps, Sagic, here, Waze and other navigation. Navigation sound, you can choose it. And drum setting, reverse volume, watch video, rear view ruler tracking display X mirroring. This radar system, voice open door or close, steering wheel controls. Okay, that's all. Thank you.